Let's get more from Susquehanna Managing Director and Senior Semiconductor Analyst Chris Rolland. Chris, great to have you with us. You know, when I saw that huge guide higher, you think they're not going to guide higher unless you know they can hit at least that number, which is just staggering.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks, Melissa. This is one of the biggest blowouts I've seen in the last decade in semis. And it's coming in contrast to virtually every other semiconductor company missing. So this is a stark reminder that we are in the middle of a massive AI gold rush right now, and Nvidia has all the picks and shovels.
What should Nvidia be valued at, given this quarter and given the guide?
Well, people are scratching their heads. It's one of the most difficult things to analyze out there right now. We had a PE of, call it 80 times going into this report. Our numbers are going to shake out going from next year from, call it $6 to $10 in this single report, given this inflection. So the answer is it's extremely difficult and it's extremely open-ended.
Hey, Chris, I was trying to explain why they can't have this kind of a lead, but you just said no one else has a pick and no one else has a shovel. Who's close? And we don't have the time or the bandwidth probably to get into the technical answer on this. But you know, can anyone compete?
I will give you the short answer. The short answer is the best prospect that I can see right now would be AMD's MI300. They might be in the ballpark. They're probably not close to the H100 AI card out there, but we have actually some good prospects for AMD in the accelerated computing space.
So in terms of the guide higher, Chris, how should we think about in terms of how much can be attributed to AI, how much can be attributed to data center? Because we're seeing all of the chip stocks in the after-hour session pretty much, except for Intel, trade higher. Not all of them, as you say, have the ability to produce these AI chips. And so I'm just trying to figure out how we should think about the increases in the competitors of Nvidia. And should it really be an Nvidia story?
Yeah, this is quite a bit for data center, but the vast majority of this is this AI arms race that's taking place right now. This is the gold rush of 1849, except this time it's built around generative AI, large language models, and Nvidia really is the only game in town as of right now.
At what point, Tim mentioned this earlier, and we're far from it, but we've seen commoditization in this space many, many times over the years. Is it possible for that to happen a lot quicker than any of us realize? Perhaps, but really right now it's centered all around the GPU. There are hundreds of AI startups over the past few years that have tried to get into this market, and there are really no viable competitors right now. Like I mentioned, there's a glimmer of hope for AMD in the MI300, but really Nvidia is running the table here, and it's really around their language, CUDA. And the libraries in CUDA that are making this the de facto standard.
What is sort of the wild card that could dent AI? It seems like everything is going for it right now, Chris. But what's on your radar in terms of something that can pop this bubble?
We have had AI winters in the past, big fits and starts. That's always a possibility here. We're now moving to more than 1 trillion parameters that these large language models are indeed analyzing. And perhaps they, top out at one point in time and we go into a new winter. That is not my base case. I do believe this is a Cambrian period for AI right now. And Nvidia is indeed the beneficiary.
You tell your clients to buy it at $391?
I do. Like I said, this is open-ended. Yeah. But we also like the prospects for AMD. They have a great server chip where they're taking share from Intel, and then a glimmer of hope in what has become a massive data center, accelerated computing, and AI market.